Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable keyboard vibration in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So for this, all you guys have to do just go to any application where the keyboard appears. I am going to settings and then here tap to search. After that, the keyboard appear. So that you guys see we have option of settings. Just click on setting and then go to preference. After that, scroll it down. As you guys see, we have option of haptic feedback on key press. It means this is a keyboard vibration. So just turn it off. Now let me check it. And yes, the vibration is off. But if you want to again enable it, all you guys have to do just go to preference. After that, again scroll and we have haptic feedback on key press. So just turn it on so that your keyboard vibration is enabled. So this is how we can enable or disable keyboard vibration in Infinix Hot 40 Pro device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.